Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be covering the basic installation procedures for our LED license plate bulbs on the 2019 and up Ford Ranger. Now this is a very simple and inexpensive upgrade that makes a big difference in the overall presentation of the truck. Now you can do this at home in your garage. It doesn't even require any hand tools. Let's get started. All you have to do to remove the stock license plate bulb is reach up underneath the right side of the bumper and turn clockwise to release it from the socket. Then, simply remove the stock bulb, plug in your Diode Dynamics LED upgrade, put it back in the socket and turn it counterclockwise to secure it. So it's a good idea to go ahead and test it for proper function. Once you make sure that it's lighting up properly, go ahead and repeat the same steps on the left side of the truck to complete the installation. With your new LED license plate bulbs installed, you'll enjoy a clean, modern look for your Ranger. These are available right now on diodedynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.